Hey everybody, welcome back. With this being one of my last videos, I figured I can't skip a week. Only got so many more videos left, so normally I wouldn't have done a video on this, but I figured it would be kind of fun if I did. Now, a couple weeks back, I went on a trip to California and lost my AirPods in the rental car we had, and I never got those back. So sad. And I had a question to debate. Do I buy new AirPods, even though I'd only use them for 2 months, and then just not use them for 2 years? Or do I just hold out and then buy them when I get back from my mission? I tried it for a week with wired headphones and I hated every second of it. So I bought the new AirPods with USB-C. I had the Lightning ones before, which kind of makes it annoying that these ones are USB-C now. My phone's not USB-C. But that'll be a topic for another day when I do my iPhone 14 Pro review. Stay subscribed for that, then I'll tell you about that. But I guess my ecosystem is gonna be a little shaken up because these will be USB-C, my phone won't. But hey, my watch is already a different charger, so I have to pack around 4 chargers now if I ever went somewhere. Now, don't just do this at home, kids. This is very dangerous to just do this with a butter knife. Now, I've been waiting for a few days because I wanted to get these as cheap as I could. I saw it for one day, it was $189. The next day it was already $230 again, and then the next day it was $250. So I was like, oh, it just changes. So I waited until it got back down to $189, and then I copped them. There's a lot of paper in here for just 2 little things. First of all, we got the AirPods case for the AirPods case. Oh, the shell is inside of it. Okay, so looks pretty good. Nothing too crazy about it. Yeah, could try that later. Then to the main attraction, the actual AirPods, right? Now, they're basically the same generation as the one I had before. All it's different is it has USB-C. But I didn't want to buy an older pair of Lightning when I just knew that I'm gonna have to get USB-C in eventually anyway. It's weird doing a standing unboxing. You got your normal paperwork, and then you got the actual AirPods themselves. Very nice. I don't want to open them and try to connect them to my phone yet, but yeah, cool. Slide it on in. Chink. I had with my other AirPods, I had the little band around it, like the little loop that they advertised that didn't really catch on for Apple. I bought that, and now it's weird to not have that, but it's okay. Oh, I put it backwards. That's why I'm like, why is this so weird? Cool. Now they all work and everything, and I got some new AirPods for the next 2 months because these things are a lifesaver at the gym or listening to music, literally at school. They're the best things in the world, and they connect to anything. I don't have to worry about, oh, I have the Lightning headphones, but not like some 3.5 millimeter headphones for my computer and stuff like that. So it's cool that I have these again. I really love AirPods. I recommend them. And obviously I was just financially able to buy more of these. I'm just a kid, and I save money, but I'm not like in dire need to like bills and whatnot. So like, if you don't have the money, don't just spend it because you don't have it. But I'm grateful to have enough money to buy another pair after I lost mine. I tried to call Ace and they didn't get back to me, so I had to go buy new ones. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.